How to fix call vibration not working in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then scroll down and here you can see the option call vibration. Now click on call vibration and here you can set your call vibration. And then go back and click on notification vibration. Now here you can set your notification vibration. After that, go back and here you can see the option system vibration. Now click on system vibration and here you can turn off your dialing keypad, charging and camera feedback, navigation. Now here you can turn off your system vibrations. Now go back and click on vibration intensity. Now here you can increase your vibration intensity of your call. After that, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then swipe down to your control center and here you can see the do not disturb icon. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning it off, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then simply open your phone app and dial here *#0*#. If your SIM is registered to network, then here you can see your more settings icons. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.